How to stop Netflix autopay on PC. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to stop Netflix autopay on your PC. This is useful if you want to manage your subscription manually or prevent automatic charges. Let's get started. So step 1 is you open your browser here, and in the address bar, type www.netflix.com and press enter. So you log into your Netflix account, and then you manage your account settings. Here, click the drop down and click account. Under the membership section, click on manage payment method. This option may vary depending on your region. Some may have here cancel autopay. In this region, we don't see any option to remove the payment method. And then here, let's proceed to cancel the subscription. So go back to the account. Here in the manage membership, we should click cancel membership. In this case, I won't cancel my membership, but if you should cancel your membership, you should receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. Log back into Netflix to ensure that your account shows membership will end on a specific date. So Netflix will allow you to use the service until the end of your current billing cycle. And that is how to stop Netflix autopay on PC.